Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a wireless mouse from Logitech that is Quiet Mark certified, so it features quiet or silent mouse operation in terms of wheel scrolling as well as button clicks or mouse clicks. And it's powered by a single AA battery which can last up to 24 months or 2 years. So I recently unpacked the grey-black version. This is the red version, and once again it references the Logitech M170 wireless mouse in terms of being 90% quieter in operation or use. Okay, so finished taking a look at the back of the packet with its specifications and features. Let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, pulling apart. Okay, so that broke off. Let's try this side instead. And that broke off as well. Let's go ahead and just rip it apart completely and popping out the card insert and setting it down on the tabletop, and of course popping out the Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse in red. So just setting the contents on the tabletop, and of course there is a user guide or user manual in here, a multi-language user manual. Let's just set everything on the tabletop very neatly so you can see what the whole packet contains. So right there, let's first start off by taking a look at this important safety, compliance and warranty information. So information for this mouse is covered in several different languages in this pretty comprehensive booklet. So once again, just taking a quick look by folding it out. So right there, you can see it does spread out very, very wide with many panels of information right there. Just quickly showing you the English section right here. And on the reverse side, there is some more of that information in other languages right there. So pretty comprehensive. Let's go ahead and fold it back down and setting it to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side right there of the frame. And of course this is the card insert that we saw inside the clear bubble packet. Okay, so now we can move on to the Logitech M330 Silent mouse itself. So this is the Quiet Mark certified mouse, and this one is in red. It's available in 3 different colors: the gray, black, the red, as well as the blue. So if you've been following my channel, you would have seen the very, very recent unpacking of the gray black version. So this time around we're looking at the red version, and you can see it does have a very, very striking red color. So just giving you an all-round look, and of course that black and white paper tab at the rear of the mouse is just a battery tab or battery saver tab to preserve the AA battery's energy before use and while in shipment. Taking a look at the mouse straight on, you can see this is a very simple mouse. However, it does have a nice weight to it, a light to medium weight to it, closer on the medium side for its size, even though it only contains or is powered by a single AA battery. So it does have a plastic construction, as you can see right there at the top, with the left and right button placements are along with the middle button and scroll wheel. However, on the sides it features a nice grippy rubber cover that wraps all the way around the back as well as to the other side as well, and you can see the texture pattern that's on it with up and down triangles. And taking a look at the underside, so you can see two round skates as well as a elongated semicircular skate or pad or feet at the rear. And of course, just showing you the battery compartment right now with that single AA battery that comes included with this Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. And just pulling the tab out, that battery saver tab, and just showing you the battery that's included with this mouse. A GP alkaline AA battery. Let's pop it back in, and you can see the RF nano USB receiver right here. So it's not a unifying one, so do take note, it only works with this mouse. You can see the Logi logo on it, so it's not a unifying type nano USB receiver because it doesn't have the unifying symbol on it. Just a plain nano USB RF receiver right there. Okay, setting it down on the tabletop right there. And going back to the mouse, let's replace the battery cover right there. And now just showing you the size of the mouse resting in the palm of my hand right there. And then of course giving you a close-up look once again. So this is the Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. This time around, this unpacking is for the red version. Clearly, as you can see, this is a strikingly red mouse. And of course, let's test out the left and right mouse click as well as the middle button and scroll wheel as well. So just going to do that right now with the left click. You can hear it is very quiet. And right click. Left and right mouse clicks, and with the scroll wheel, very quiet as well. It does have a nice grippy rubber texture to that scroll wheel as well, and pressing on the middle button or scroll wheel button. So very, very quiet clicks. Logitech claims a 90% reduction in sound or noise compared against the reference Logitech M170 wireless mouse. So clicking away on both buttons as well as the central middle button right there. And scroll wheel once again, very quiet to roll back and forwards. And setting it on the tabletop and clicking away again. So demonstrating the quiet operation of this Quiet Mark certified Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. And of course, just to give you some perspective and reference, once again, I have the Logitech M170 wireless mouse, for which Logitech claims that the M330 is 90% quieter. This M170, you can always see the unpacking of it or unboxing of it on this YouTube channel of mine. And now let's click away on both mice. and scrolling away on that scroll wheel. And clicking away on that middle button, middle button, middle button, right click, left click, left click. So you can hear how much noise the M170 generates compared with the Quiet Mark certified M330 Silent Plus mouse on the left of the frame. And on the surface, let's compare. Left click, right click, right click, middle button, middle button, scrolling back and forwards, scrolling back and forwards. So quite a difference in noise with a great or significant reduction in the M330 Silent Plus mouse. So that's the Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse. Thanks for watching and happy surfing!